Facebook. If I catch one of these planes, you guys gotta hold that promise. Alright, I'm freezing, so I'm gonna say let's go ahead and get this done. I'm not too confident this thing's gonna fly stable, but let's give it a go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There she goes! Oh, no way! She's flying stable! No way! What? Dude! Yes! Dude, check that! Yes! I just flew past it, now I can't, there she is. No way, that's incredible! I'm gonna make a pass right on her. No way! Oh, I almost kicked it. This is gonna be easy to catch. That's incredible. That thing's gonna fly for miles if I don't catch it. Right through my wing. All right, I'm gonna make a serious pass and try to catch it this time. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah! Legend! Legendary! Dude! I think that's the most epic thing I've done my entire life. R.I.P. headphone users. Dude! I can't believe it! I'm freaking astonished! That was